a short sale home to get a better price? I mean, where would they find that? How would they go about, finding someone to negotiate that for them?
In the state of Virginia, the way we do it is, you want to contact a realtor that has experience in doing a short sale, right? That has closed a number of transactions in the past, because it is a lengthy process. It's not complicated, but it's lengthy, and there's lots of little steps that have to be followed properly. So you can go online, you can find certain agents that have certifications, and there's lots of different certifications out there that show that they've at least had some form of training within the world of short sales. And then the next question that you would want to ask is, how many short sales have you actually completed, and can you show me proof with approval letters, right, that show that you guys actually got these specific short sales approved, right? Also in the state of Virginia, agents, they shouldn't be negotiating. I know a lot of agents still do, but they shouldn't be negotiating their own short sales. They should have somebody on their team. They should have somebody on their team that actually negotiates the short sales for them, because it is something that takes an incredibly long amount of time during the course of the day, and a good short sale agent doesn't have the ability to do both, right? They have to either help and guide their client sell that property and find buyers for the property, or they have to negotiate the short sale. They can't do one or the other effectively. So you can find them online, and you could also go and go in the MLS and see who's doing a lot of short sales.